Hello, it's Raphael from XX Raphael Productions, and in this video we're going to be doing a reverse string. This time we're going to try to reverse our string without a for loop, okay? This is very helpful as well if you don't want to deal with the complications of for loops. Well, it is easier if you get used to it, but this is an alternative method for people who don't want to use a for loop but still want to reverse a string. I'm going to show you two ways that we can do this, okay? Let's go ahead and I'm going to create a new class. So I right click on the source folder underneath my new project. And for our new Java class, I'm going to go ahead and, I guess you could say, I'm going to call mine reverse strings. You can call your class whatever you want to, but make sure your method stubs has public static void main selected. I'm going to click finish. And if you did not tick that, you will have to type the main method in yourself. But after you've done that, you should be able to follow through like usual, okay? So let's go ahead and I'm gonna create a new public static method. It's gonna be returning a string. So private static string. I'm gonna call this reverse. Now, don't worry about this for now. It will give an error because we haven't yet returned a string, but that will be fixed later on. So underneath our main method, I'm gonna make some room, and I'm gonna do string, and we can call this whatever we want. I'm gonna call mine str for short, equals, and for this, let's do test string, and then with a semicolon, and then we will do system.out.println and reverse str. Now, since our parameters are a string, that is what we'll be trying to return. So let's go ahead and do return new string builder. We're going to use string builder for this. Bracket str, which is what we called our string. And this will be dot reverse dot to string. Okay, and like I said before, we're not done yet. I'll show you next the second method, but let's go ahead and run our program. And you can clearly see it says test string. Let's go ahead and do my name, Raphael. Let's go ahead and play that again, and it'll print my name in reverse. Now let's go ahead and show you that other method that I was promising to show you. But if this is all you need, my my other movie just finished exporting. If this is all you need, then feel free to click off the video. But this next part is a scanner, so we're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna take in user input this time. So I'm going to do import java util.scanner. I'm going to import a scanner because I'm going to use it. I'm going to comment this out for now because I want to use a scanner for this, okay? So I'm going to do scanner, and we can call our scanner whatever you want. I'm going to call mine simply scan equals new scanner bracket system.in. I will initialize this, and then we can do system.out.println. Enter a string, and then we can now take in what we did earlier. So string str equals scan.nextLine. So it will take whatever string we called it. It will take in whatever we added from the user. So let's go ahead and test it out right now. I'm going to click play. Enter a string. Let's see, Bailey, for example. And it will output the reverse of that string. And let's go ahead and type it again. Let's do Raphael again. It should do the same thing. And let's do a long one, okay? Let's see. This is a long sentence. I am testing this out to see if it works. And there we go. This is a long sentence. I am testing this out to see if it works. Well, it is working. So we have managed to reverse your strings without making a for loop. It's simply just a simple line of code. So hopefully this video helped you out. If you're in computer science, hopefully your teacher allows you to use this method. I know some classes might require a for loop, but if they don't, feel free to use this. And I will see you in my next programming tutorial.